What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. So I want to give a special shout out to my little brother for getting me an early Father's Day gift. So he got me the Samsung Galaxy Earbuds Plus, the blue edition. I call it the Nipsey Blue. Matches perfectly with my Note 10 Plus, aka I call it Nipsey Blue. Let's unbox it. I'm excited about it. Stay tuned. So we're gonna unbox and review these Galaxy Buds Plus. I'm excited for it. I really wanted the first one, but I held on, and it was well worth it. So I got the blue one to match my phone. So let's unbox and see what we get inside. All right. So when we open up, we get the Buds Plus. The blue one look beautiful. Wow. This oh man, I'm surprised how nice this look. Oh man, nice glossy. And then you get the buds inside. Woo! I'm excited to using them, man. And then we get this box. Let's see what we get in here. So we get a Type C to Type A USB black, and then we get different ear tips. Oh, might as well keep it inside. You get different size ear tips. Let's drop it in there. Hopefully y'all can see it there. Yeah, see it? Yep. Well, a little bit. But you get different size of it, which is pretty cool. I think I'm just gonna use it like that, and I think it's fully charged. I'm gonna download the app real quick and see what we could do with them. Oh, look, connected right there. Come up right away. No editing, no nothing. It came up, so let's connect it. So there you go. See, the right side got 8%, so they're pretty low. So we're just gonna while in use, yeah. So let's retry it. So I gotta get the app real quick. Let me get the app real quick. All right, so I got the app right here going on. So let's see. Let's get into it. So we got the Buzz allow while in use. Hold time, guys. Yes, sir. So it's setting up on the phone, installing the app. 96, 7, 8, 9, 100%. All right, cool. So let's allow it, allow it, allow it, allow it. Agree. So stay in touch with your surrounding. Let's hit next. Start your Spotify from your earbuds. All right, cool. So it's connecting now to my phone, completed. So now we get all these different things. I haven't charged it. I'm gonna charge it, but I just want to show you what you get in here. I know there's a lot, but I definitely got to do it myself also. So let's view updates. So we're gonna update this in a little bit. So we get all these different sounds and all. Let me put the ambient. I know it's gonna kill your battery. So it has 11 hours of playing time, two-way speakers, receive call, and wireless charging. So it's pretty dope. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna charge it, use it, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell you what I think about these earbuds. So I got 2 days with this. I love it. I can't complain about it. Sounds crazy. Charging is dope. Like you can see, I used a lot of it. I got to cut the lawn. I got to power wash my backyard. I got to play 2K20 with it while I was watching podcasts, especially the Joe Budden podcast. Y'all should check that out if y'all haven't. Check it out definitely if you're into hip hop, and well, it's a dope podcast. But I've been using it. I really like all this, like especially the ambient sound. That is crazy. Like I could have it in there and my kids could talk to me and I could hear them perfectly while I'm listening to the podcast, or I'm in the backyard. I can hear them from far away depending which level you have it. I usually have it between the second one if I'm outside, but if I'm inside, I keep it in the first one so I can hear everything possible surrounding. It's definitely dope. So I've charged it. I charged the earbuds about 3 times if I'm not mistaken, So I could probably do 2 more times with it, and then I need to charge the case. So battery life is crazy, believe it or not. Why? Because I've been using it for an extent of 4 or 5 hours at a time, and that's like about 20 hours right there, me using it, which is dope. I really like it. If y'all able to get this AirPods, I definitely highly recommend to get it. My experience with it, I can't really complain about it. I mean, it's the latest and greatest tech when it comes to earbuds. So if you like this video, make sure you hit a like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm gonna leave a link down below where you could get these earbuds. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.